In Vegas right now, looking for Summer a prom dress. Summer is going to her 8th grade prom, and she has a certain style she's looking for, so I'm going to see if we can find it here. Vegas has a lot of different shops, different stores and stuff, so while I'm out here, I figured out, you know, try to see what I can find. Yeah, wish us luck. Hopefully we find something she likes. Oh, look at this. I think this is so cute. But this is not the style she's looking for. So next, she's wearing pink. That's the color pink she's going for. No. Let's see what else they got up in here. On our way to Dillard, so let's see what we find. Wish us luck. Ooh, there's a lot of things here. So Summer's favorite color, or not favorite color, what she likes to wear is black. Oh no, hell no. She likes it. To clean my phone. She likes to wear black, but for prom she's wearing pink. Oh, look at this sparkly dress. I like this one. So fun fact, me and Summer is pretty much the same size. So I'm gonna try on the dresses for her, and we're gonna see if she likes them. Look how cute this is. And they're on sale. They got a super good sale. And none of these are her color. Let's find some pink. Find some pink, guys. Look at this one. This is too much. Oh no. This is cute. This is giving princess treatment. 76 bucks. What's that inside? I don't see the size. Well, yeah, this is her size, but this isn't the color pink she's going for, but I really like these. That dress is so cute. Now, my favorite color is blue. Look at the blue one. Now, they could have did a little bit better with these, but this is cute, too. So, she's looking for a short, poofy style. This is cute. But nothing for her. This is so cute too. That's too big. So I'm gonna go try on that dress for her that I like. It's not pink, but it has a pink undertone to it. It's hard to see it, but it has like a pink undertone to it in a way. I'll show y'all later. But yeah. Summer seriously hated this dress. I don't know what I liked about it. Now, I actually liked this one. I liked how it was shimmery and it was flowy. It was cute too, but it just wasn't giving. Now, this one is so cute. It's white and it's shiny and it has like a kind of like a shimmery undertone to it. It was just really cute. Summer really liked this one. I really think she really liked how it poofed out, but she loved this dress. Some of you like them?
Yeah. Oh, she's taking it.
I'm probably gonna do a vlog.
That's gonna be so cute. My baby going to 8th grade prom. Don't cry.
Girl. We ain't even get you no necklace.
I got my own necklace.
Oh.
What type of necklace?
Something that popped. I should have looked when we went to that thing with James.
I didn't see no necklace. Windsor across the street.
That one with that, it matched that bracelet that I like. Remember? But you didn't like it. You said Windsor is where across the street? They got a Windsor, really? I will go look there. I text Erica. I hope she got it. I know I'm gonna have to call her. I applied a few lashes on her just to do like a quick patch test, just to make sure that she's not allergic to the glue or she don't have any type of reaction. We don't need anything ruining her prom. And while we wait on that, here's the inspiration for the socks. I could not find any of the socks that I wanted, so I decided to create some myself. Summer hated these jewels. But I came up with making bows for her socks. We bought some dye. I got a homeboy that is good at like creating and customizing like tennis shoes and just everything. He's dope. So I bought a few pair of socks. I bought some dye and I gave it to him, but that didn't really work out. We couldn't really get the colors right. So luckily I had purchased some of this fabric from Michael's and I was determined to make this bow, y'all. Oh my God, it was so hard to make. Oh my goodness. And I made 4. But here I am struggling. So the first one I made actually came out perfect. But then after that, it's like all of them I just could not get them right. But I ended up getting it. Anything for my baby, y'all. Anything for my baby. And here they go. I had so much glitter like all over me and everywhere. But there go my bows. Gorge. I also did a little henna brow on her. She did not let me wax her brows, but they're still cute. So I really love how everything just came together. It was all Summer's ideas. I did all the work. I didn't catch her getting her hair done, but this bob was absolutely perfect for this event. But that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. See you soon. Oh, and I can't forget the selfies. Boom. Bam. That bob is bobbing. Look at those lashes. Ow. Peace.